So people always say I am blunt, right? Blunt in the sense I am outright, I am saying the facts and I am saying market is coming down, I am talking negative. See, I am not talking negative, or I am not like here to discomfort you or discourage you, nothing like that. Whatever the fact I am telling, whether the market is coming down, I will tell market is coming down. Whether FIIs are selling or SIP is going to lose money, whatever fact, whatever I am reading, whatever analysis we are doing, we are just saying whatever we could, right? Just because you have to feel happy, just because you have to be encouraged, I cannot come out and tell things which are not in fact, right? That is what is happening. Many YouTube channel, in spite of market coming down, they will tell market will return, this is the bottom, that is the bottom. Where is the bottom? Nothing is happening. In spite of all, where is the good news? There is uncertainty. I have been saying this, 22,000 will be taken out maybe in next 1 or 2 days. Even that 22,000, market is struggling. Every move on the upside, every rise, they are just selling the market, and maybe tomorrow also they will sell. Who knows? Only God knows. FIIs are selling left, right and center, and people are not happy if I come and tell this thing. And if I tell SIP stoppage is increasing, they are not happy. What can I do, right? That is the reality. Because you have to be happy, because you have to feel good, I cannot come and tell the wrong things, right? And if you have seen our videos, I have never ever told subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon, notification, that this I have never told. And who am I to dictate you to tell watch this channel, subscribe this channel? I will never ever tell, right? It is really up to you. If you want, you can watch this channel, otherwise you can just ignore this channel, right? That's it. That as simple as that, right? Now in terms of market, we told yesterday, day before yesterday, last in fact 3 or 4 videos, we have been saying market is likely to come down. FIIs are selling left, right and center. And if you can see this chart explains everything. That we today morning, which is March 3rd, we saw a minor gap up. Yesterday we closed at around 22,100, 120 levels, 100 levels. Today we gapped up at around 22,300. Still, it was a very good opportunity for FIIs to bring the market on the downside. That is what I told in previous video. Every rise is the opportunity for FIIs to sell this market, and that is exactly what is happening. And I also told 22,500. Many people were saying 22,500 is an emotional support. It will be held. Bulls will react from 22,500. Where they are reacting, the way things are happening, maybe 22,000 will also be taken out anytime soon. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. We really don't know. That is hypothetical. We will have to wait and see, right? See, if somebody, I will tell you, if somebody slaps you, what will happen? Maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you will take rest and you will continue the work what you have been doing. Now let's assume somebody is not slapping you. They have they are taking a cricket bat or baseball bat and they beat you like anything. What will happen? Maybe you will go to a doctor, or maybe you will go to your mother, apply some iodix, or you will get a painkiller from your doctor. Maybe 2 or 3 days you will take rest and you will go back to work. Now assume somebody has taken a gun and shot you. What will happen? Maybe you will end up in ICU. It will take 2 or 3 months based on where he has put the shot, whether it is in your head or whether it is in your heart or whether it punches your liver. So it depends on whether he is shooting. That is what is exactly happening. Bears are shooting like anything, and it is going to take time to recover. It is not like immediately you are going to see market going to 23,000, 23,500 unless until there is a really positive news. And where is the positive news? These people are saying about GDP that this all positive news came out in the media, but nothing can stop FIAs. You see, we media can make us idiot, but FIAs are intellectuals. They know what is happening. They know what is the balance sheet of company. They know what is the state of the economy. Then how can we, what is the use of putting media? You can fool retailers, but you cannot fool, FIAs or institutions or hedge funds, right? Because they know. That is why we are time and again saying, follow the peers so that you will get an idea and you will get what might happen or what will happen to the market in terms of market. Now also, if you can see here, there is a huge order block, and hopefully if it touches around 22,300, the likelihood of market coming on the downside is very very high. And this is what I have been saying in Friday's video also. I told, if market, in fact we put a big thumbnail, if market goes above 22,300, we will be in big trouble. Now I don't think, even if the market goes to around 22,300 or closes above 22,300, I am telling you again, that is a good opportunity for institutions to short this market. They will short the market and bring the market on the downside, unless until there is a really positive news, which we are lacking. There is no positive news at all. Whether you think, and let me tell you people, when India VIX, not India VIX, sorry, we'll talk about India VIX. When people were saying about GIFT Nifty moving about 22,300, 22,500, people were saying it will touch 22,500, 22,600. Where it is happening? Nothing is happening, right? So it was, whatever opportunity was, whatever thing happened was an opportunity for FIAs. Once they saw a gap up, they hardly bought the market. They were able to sell. That was a good opportunity for them, and they were selling huge quantities. So if you are a trader, if you had gone long in this market, I'm sure if you had started trading, or if you had bought some call option around 22,300, I'm sure you would have kept a stop loss at around maybe 22,100, and see the volatility. It has come below 22,100 or even 22,000. Your stop loss is hit at 22,000 and it is reversing on the higher side. Now there is no India VIX is also dropping and market is moving on the sideways, right? So we'll see how things work out. Let us hope for the best. But I can tell you one thing, for now, this whatever people say 15%, it is already down by more than 15%. Maybe another 200 or 300 points it will come down. We really don't know. See, that's what I have been saying. That is what I am time and again saying, that you need a really positive momentum for the markets to go on the higher side, which is lacking now. I read an article in newspaper where large number of people in IT firms are being laid off because of artificial intelligence. I have a one friend in Chennai. He's been laid off. So 2-3 people are calling me. They are being laid off. One friend is in US. He is not getting his H1B visa approval or renewal. So lot of things are happening in terms of IT. And if you can see the IT sector, IT is bleeding like anything. Just on Friday we saw IT at around 4%. Now it down by 4%. Now it is just up by less than, not even 1%. So it all depends on this trade war, major issues or major thing which is contributing to this kind of two-way, three-way move. Whatever volatility we are seeing in Indian market is because of trade war uncertainty. We really don't know this guy, this US President Donald Trump, what he is going to come out with, which also we have been saying, one day he is fine, another day he is going mad. So every there is every possible, if he comes out with the good news, maybe market will gap up, or if there is any bad news, market will come on the downside. Now in terms of our PNL, if you can see here, we have trade, and we have been telling we have developed a trading system, and it is highly profitable, and as of now it is in profit of around 8.73. And let me show you the screen also. So if you can see here, this is our profit in spite of market making two-way, three-way move, and that is why I told this strategy. That is why we were saying we will quit trading if we are in loss, right? So you have to remember this. The conclusion is, so every rise in the market, or whenever the market rises, that is going to be a shorting opportunity for you. Try to short the market so that you will end up making money. Don't try to go long in this market. This is not the right time to be long in the market. Be cautious, hedge your position, make sure to hedge your position. Don't take directional trades. We really don't know. See, as an option buyer, as an option seller, we always go for delta neutral strategy. Once market is trending, we change it into a delta negative or delta positive strategy. So that is what you will have to do, so that your capital is protected. Make sure at least your risk reward is between 0.50 to 0.70, so that in case something anomaly some anomaly, abnormal things, right, happens, you will be safe. Nowadays every day is a abnormal thing. We really don't know, or we really can't predict the market. So that much is the volatility, this uncertainty due to Trump presidency is created to Indian market. We really don't know about other markets, but what happens to Indian markets is that we are seeing huge amount of volatility in spite of India VIX being at just around 14 or 15. Now imagine what will happen if India VIX goes to 20, or let's say 25. If it crosses 20, you will not be able to trade at all in this market. It is going to be very, very hard. Already there are news, or there are things that volumes have come down. If you have seen, there is an article in Economic Times that Zerodha's founder Nitin Kamath came out and told year on year how much volume, drastically their volume has reduced, how drastically their revenue has reduced. Around 30 or 33% drop in revenue, and this 33% is one of the highest in the last since they have started Zerodha, is what Nitin Kamath is saying. So you can understand from all these things how fragile, how hostile this market is, how it is hard to make money in this market. If you are making money in this market, I can tell you, you are one of the few fortunate people who are making money in this market. Being in this fraternity, being in this industry, I have connections, and I can tell you no one is profitable. Major chunk of the people who are trading in this market is not profitable. They are feeling the heat. Not only we as a trader are feeling the heat, even investors are feeling the heat. As I told in yesterday's video, 3.8 lakh crores of investors worth of investors money has been wiped out of the market in the last 5 or 6 months. Now imagine, had you invested, or had you done some buying activity in Reliance, or any, for that matter, any stock at around last before 5 or 6 months, you would have been in big loss. I can completely understand. That is why I am saying be cautious. This is not the time to buy options, not options, buy any shares. Just hold for some times, or wait in the sideline for some time. You will get an opportunity. Market is not going to go anywhere, so that you will be safe in terms of your monies, right? So be careful, trade safely. I have talked too much. I will see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.